it out? Heck yeah, Tails. Okay, Sonic, here it is. Whoa, it looks so cool. So, you want to try it out? Yeah, Tails. Whoa, Tails, this is a cool plane. Yeah, Sonic, it's really cool. Well, let's test drive this thing. Okay, I've never tested it before, but let's see how this goes. Whoa! Whoa, Tails, I can't believe it! We're actually flying! I know, Sonic, it's amazing! Whoa! Oh no, Sonic! What is it, Tails? I think we might crash! Tails? Yeah, Sonic? That was awesome.
Meanwhile...
What's that blasted hedgehog and his fox friend doing now? Tails has a plane? Oh, minions! Yes, that's Eggman. You imbeciles need to get me the Sonic's plane right now. Or one of you's gonna die. Hope it's not me. It's probably gonna be me. Quit the talking, you morons, and go find the plane. Watching TV is fun. Hey Sonic, the plane's all mixed up. Oh, okay, Tails. Hey, Shadow. Metal Sonic.
Yeah, Eggman.
Yeah, Eggman. I love this new... Hey, thanks for getting the plane, guys. Well, I thought it would be higher quality and wouldn't have the Capri Sun and Dunkin' Donuts logos all over it, but still, that's good enough. So I'll promote you guys. Wait, we won't have to be stupid minions ears? Yay, this is the happiest day of my life. Woohoo, 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 woohoo. Finally, I can get a bigger salary. So I can finally eat something that is not the McDonald's Gold menu or ramen noodles. Hallelujah! I'm so glad we got promoted. We can finally make more money than the money we're making.
Yeah.
Hey, Sonic, I'm gonna go check on the plane. Okay, Tails. Wait. What happened to my plane? I know exactly who's responsible for this. Oh boy, Eggman's lair. Right behind you, Sonic. Hurry, let's go fast. I'm coming, Sonic. Alright, let's go. Yep, Sonic, I'm coming. Give us that plane. Your plane? This is our plane. If you want your plane back, you're gonna have to kill us. Which is impossible. Because I still play the Chaos Emeralds in my free time. Which means I'm invincible. Wait, then how come you aren't yellow? Well, I'm so edgy that the Chaos Emeralds didn't want me to be yellow, so I'm still black. Sheesh, I mean, it's a kid's video game franchise. You can't say you're still black. That's racist. It technically is fur color. And fur and skin are two completely different things. So, I guess it works. Anyway, cut the nonsense about this and let's just fight! Come on! Maple Sonic, try killing Tails. Well, Shadow, shoot Sonic with the gun. Okay. Sonic, you're gonna die because I have this. He's a king. Now I can tease you whenever you want. Whenever I want.
How about this? The face.
Ow! How about this? Yeah, screw you, Metal Face. Hey, who put this conveniently placed rocket here? What are you doing? Oh, you'll see. Well, actually, you won't. Because you're dead.
Grab your George Shadow. We're gonna lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's covered. We did it, Sonic! You know what? Let's go back home on the tornado. What's the tornado?